हाय, एडवर्ड्स इन हिंदी की नई वीडियो सीरीज नीड टू नो में आपका स्वागत है। In this video, we'll show you how to create a Google shopping campaign step by step. Let's get started. Shopping campaigns are a great way to promote your products and items through shopping ads. These ads show up on Google Search Network and our search partners, and they include details of your product like the brand, title, price, and more, along with images of the product. At this point, you should already have your Merchant Center account created and have your feed containing your product inventory data uploaded already. Your Merchant Center account should also be linked to your AdWords account for the next steps. To link the two accounts, log into your Merchant Center account and click on the three-dot menu icon on the top right-hand corner. Select Account Linking and then AdWords. Add your AdWords customer ID here and click on Add. Now approve this linking request by logging into AdWords and clicking on the gear-shaped icon on the top right-hand corner of the page. Select Account Settings and then click on Linked Accounts. Now open the Merchant Center section. Click the View Request button and review the details. You can then go ahead and approve the request. All set with the linking of the accounts? Perfect. We'll now go through how to create a shopping campaign and start serving your shopping ads. To get started creating your shopping campaign, sign into your AdWords account. Then, click on the Campaigns tab. Click on the plus campaign button and select Shopping. On the Select Campaign Settings page, start off by giving your campaign a name. Provide a merchant identifier by clicking the Select Account drop-down menu and choosing the merchant ID. The ID should be the Google Merchant Center account associated with the products being advertised in this shopping campaign. This step is very important as your shopping campaign will be getting all the information of your products from your Merchant Center account. From the drop-down menu next to Country of Sale, select the country where the products are being sold. This should match the country you selected while uploading your feed on Merchant Center. Next to Locations, choose the geographical areas where you want the product listing ads in this campaign to appear. Now, choose a bidding strategy for your campaign and enter a default bid for your first ad group. Put in your daily budget amount and then go ahead and click on Save and Continue. You will now be asked to create an ad group within which you'll have one product group. There are different ways to set up your shopping campaigns and segregate your products, but for now, we're going to take you through the easiest and simplest option. One product group and one single bid for all your products. On this page, give your ad group a name. Then, select the first option, start with one product group with a single bid for all products, and then click Save and Continue. Congratulations! You've created a shopping campaign and are ready to serve shopping ads to your users. I hope you found this guide useful. You can post your questions in the comment section below. To know more, refer to the links mentioned in the description box. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more such content. Thanks for watching.